What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we have a 2014 Ford Fusion with a 2.0 turbocharged engine, and the code that I'm having today is a P1450, which is unable to bleed fuel tank or something like that. But if you're watching this video, it's most likely because you have the same issue. Anyways, we did a diagnostics on the vehicle, and it turns out it's the purge valve canister on these cars, which I'm gonna try to go real slow right here. Now, I've already done this. I've already loosened everything up, okay? The first thing you need to do is you need to remove this thing right here. It's actually this whole system that's connected. All right, it's a series of vacuum lines that are connected all the way up to the canister valve, which is down there, okay? So, remove the hoses, press on these tabs, push in and out if you have to, okay? And it's gonna be a little bit loose. You don't really have to loosen this up, but I did so I could have more space. So loosen up the clamps and then remove this out of the way. And then this out of the way. Here we go. You're gonna find a 8mm right here. I forgot about that too. We went ahead and loosened that up. Okay, so let's put it there back so we don't lose it. And then remove this, which is gonna give us a lot more space to work with. So the canister valve thing is right here. Like I said, I already have it removed. But to remove it is quite simple. You notice that green tab. You just gotta pull up on this tab a little bit, and then it's gonna click, and then you'll be able to pull this out. The clip, the same thing. If you look at it right here, it's sideways like that. So it's got a tab. You press on the tab and you pull back. Okay? Now you're gonna have these two released. And then there are three down here. It's kind of impossible to see, but let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know if you can see that right there. Anyways, let's pull this out so I can show you. All right, that one over there, and yeah, just like that. So each of these have these little clips, these little tabs, and the way you work these is you're gonna push it into the thing and clip it back. They may lock in place, so if you notice, you may have to move them to the side with like a screwdriver or your finger or something, and then be able to push them back in. Okay, but you may struggle a little bit with this. Well, that's how you do it. So anyways, that's how you take them off. So you may need a little bit of practice to take these clips off, but it was fairly easy for me. And I got the replacement part right here from AutoZone. It was $66. Let's see, purge valve, doorman, purge valve. That's the part number right there, $54.89. Our cost since we're a shop. There you go, right there. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna fast forward, do some YouTube magic, and install a new part right here. Oh, and what I wanted to show you is the way you can tell if it's bad is simply blow through here, and if you can blow through, that part's bad. Okay, so just put your mouth on there, put something to cover it, put your mouth and blow on there. If the air goes through, this purge valve canister is 100% bad. Okay, because it's supposed to be blocked, it's supposed to build vacuum. Hey, so let's move it to the side. Sorry for all the mess. And then let's put the new one back on. The same exact way. All right, let's fast forward. Okay, as you can see, I got my new canister plugged in right there. I gotta put that hose back in there, but I got these routed the way they're supposed to be, and one goes, I don't know if you can follow it. Let's see. There we go. Sorry about my camera skills here. But that's one, and the other one is down there. Let's see if we can see it. Come on, come on. We can't really see it, but it's down there. Alright guys, that's the bottom one. And then underneath this is going to be the top one. Let's see if you can see right there, going through the middle. There we go. That right there, that's where the other one goes. Okay, so we got that bottom one in. Now we follow it up with this one. right there, just like that. It's kind of hard to record, but there we go. We get it to click it on, and then make sure that these right here click. Okay, that this one's clicked. You lock it in place, connect the pin, make sure it clicks, and then let's connect our hose right there, and let's clear the codes. Here are the codes: 1450, 1450, 1450. So I just changed that canister. Let's clear these. Erase. Erase successful. Okay. Let's turn this off. Turn it back on. Oops. No codes right now. Of course, we gotta drive it a little bit more. But that's it. Let's see. Start up. All right. No more rough idling. Now the real test is I'm gonna go put gas in it and see what happens. Okay. Here we go. All right. So I just finished putting some gas in it. Let's get inside and let's try turning it on and see what happens. Starts right up. Awesome. Well, that's how you fix your car not starting after you put gas in it, guys, and your check engine light on. There you go. Hope you learned something today. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and let's rock and roll.